Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Maths with Trisha. So today we are starting with Trigonometry Class 10 ICSE, the most important sums. So now there are few sums that I am going to do. But apart from this, if you think that you are not that well prepared, you can do these sums along with the example sums of your book. That will be enough, and as it is last moment, so I think it is going to help you. Now for the first sum, let us see. It says sine A is equal to 3 by 5. A is acute angle. We need to find cos A and tan A. So sine theta, cos theta, tan theta is the formulas are provided. Sine theta is perpendicular by height. Cos theta is base by hypotenuse. Sorry, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. And tan theta is perpendicular by base. Now for sine A, it is given 3 by 5. So that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So now from it we can find out the base using Pythagoras. After finding, we are just putting the values according to the formulas for cos A and tan A. Second sum says 1 minus sine square A cos square A. We need to find the value. So we know sine square A plus cos square is 1. So we are just taking the value, keeping cos square A here and just transferring sine A square to this side. So we get 1 minus sine square A, that is required for the sum. Now sine square is cos square A, so putting the value we can simplify it, it is 1. Now for the third sum, it says sine square 30 plus cos square 60. So sine 30 we know half and cos 30 we know half. So just putting the values on with respect to square, we are getting 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. On simplifying, we get half. Fourth sum says tan A is 1 by root 3, find sin A plus cos A. So sin 30 we know 1 by root 3. So A becomes 30 degree. So putting the value of A in sin A plus cos A, we get 1 plus root 3 by 2. For sum number 5, it says sin A is given as 12 by 13, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse is provided. We need to find cot A. That is sin A is given. Now with it we are going to find the formula base with respect to Pythagoras theorem. Then we get base, we know cot is 5 base by perpendicular, so cot A becomes 5 by 12. Number 6, we need to prove 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. So 1 plus tan square A, so we can simplify tan as sin square A by cos square A. LCM we are doing, we are getting 1 by cos square A, that is sec square A. So it is proved. Now for sum number 7, it is sin A by 1 plus cos A is equal to 1 minus cos A by sin A. For this case, we are going to take LHS is equal to RHS. So we are going to solve alternatively together. So first in this portion, we are multiplying it with the opposite sign of the base, that is 1 plus cos A. So we are taking 1 minus cos A by 1 minus cos A. Okay. For RHS, we are multiplying the base, whatever here it is, into sin A by sin A, like this. Now we are just taking for the LCM, simplifying, and we are getting this step, that is sin A 1 minus cos A by 1 square minus cos A whole square, that is equal to 1 minus cos A into sin A by sin square A. Now we know 1 square is 1 here and minus cos square A. We know sin square A plus cos square A is 1. So with respect to this, we can write whatever the numerator is, we are just putting as it is, and we are just getting sin square A. And it is similar for this case because we have already, in this step we have already got the RHS. So now we can see LHS equal to RHS, therefore this sum is proved. Now for sum number 8, that is sin alpha is equal to root 3 by 2 and cos beta is root 3 by 2. We need to find tan A into tan alpha, that is into tan beta. Now see, sin alpha is root 3 by 2. So we know sin 60 is root 3 by 2. Similarly, cos beta, we know cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So we can say alpha is equal to 60 and beta is equal to 30. So now we need to find tan alpha into tan beta. We are just putting the values, and we know tan 60 is root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Simplifying it, we get it as 1. Now thank you so much for watching, and these were the important sums for trigonometry. There are more sums as well. If you are not well prepared for ICSE now, from my experience, I think you should also, along with the sums, also look up to the sums that are provided as examples in your book. Thank you so much for watching.